Peace and power, and welcome back to Katie's Alchemy. My name is Nina. I'm Katie's granddaughter, and today we are getting back into the big book of chart patterns. We are on chart pattern number 39 and 40, 39 being scallops inverted ascending. And so that's what you're looking at on the screen. Directional bias is bullish, pattern type, continuation. Pattern description: the pattern occurs within an uptrend and looks like a backwards and upside down J, with the price rising to a rounded high and a slight decline. Volume description: volume will tend to experience a rising volume trend and expand on the breakout. Breakout confirmation: the confirmation for this pattern is a close above the rounded top of the formation on the above average volume. Measuring technique: subtract the height of the highest high and subtract the height of the highest high and lowest low of a pattern, and then add that value to the breakout level. Statistical notes: breakouts near a 1-year high perform best along with taller formations with a rising volume trend. And so you're looking at this on the screen, and I just want to give you another view. This is also that same pattern. All right, and the next pattern, chart pattern, is scallops descending. And so that's what you're looking at here. Now, directional bias, bearish, pattern type, continuation. Pattern description: a scallop occurs within a downtrend and is formed as the price falls before forming a rounded bottom and then corrects upward. The pattern looks like a backwards letter J. Volume description: the volume will tend to be dome shaped and expand on the breakout. Breakout confirmation: the confirmation for this pattern is a close below the rising backwards J formation on above average volume. Measuring technique: subtract the height of the highest high and lowest low of the pattern, and then subtract that value from the breakout level. Statistical notes: breakout day gaps on high volume perform best. And so that's what you're looking at here. See right here when it's coming on down. And this is also another example of what that chart pattern looks like on the charts. And so I just want to come here and get chart patterns 39 and 40 done. Peace and power. And I'm out of here.